Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making a delicious salmon loaf with a side of creamy cucumber salad. For this recipe, we will need 1 can of salmon, 7 crackers crushed, 1 egg, 1/4 cup mayo, 1/4 small onion finely chopped, and optionally 1/2 teaspoon white pepper. Mix all ingredients and place in a small loaf pan or casserole dish that has been sprayed with oil. Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While the salmon loaf is baking, let's put together the creamy cucumber salad. Thinly slice 1 cucumber and 1 small onion. Mix together 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 cup mayo, and 1 tablespoon dill weed. Pour mixture over cucumbers and onion and stir to combine. Chill in the refrigerator until the salmon loaf is ready. There you have it. Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.